Hey friends, it's Mrs. Conder, and I just wanted to go over some quick changes that we're going to have this week, and I thought maybe just a video would help to explain it. Welcome to week 3. We made it to week 3. That's awesome. This time we're going to do our lessons just a bit different, and that's what I want to explain right now. You are going to start your day each day this week with a checklist. You are not going to go to Classcraft first. You're going to go to your checklist every day. You received an email, and so did mom and dad, that has your checklist in it, and it is broken down by day. So there's a Monday checklist, there is a Tuesday checklist, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. When you look at your checklist, you can click on a assignment. So you'll look at an assignment, you'll click on the link, and it will take you right to the directions for that assignment. This assignment is going to tell you where to go, what to click on. At the very end, it's going to remind you that when you're finished with this assignment, make sure you mark it off, or you check it off your list. So to take this little green check mark and go right over that assignment you just finished. Just drag and drop it there. As you finish assignments all day long, you're going to go ahead and drag and drop your check mark so that you'll know when you're looking at your checklist, you are almost done, or you have a little bit to go, or you have a ways to go. So you're going to know how much you've done or how much you have left to do by looking at your checklist. And remember, all of these links will take you right to your assignment. So when you click on that task, it's going to take you right where you need to be. Just a quick reminder, you will be using your math and language arts notebooks this week. So you'll want to make sure that you have a math and an ELA notebook. There are two videos, or actually there's a couple in math and one in language arts starting on Monday that you'll want to be taking notes on. I'm going to have you show me your notes when we meet this week in our group, not in study hall, but in our group when we meet this week. I'm going to ask you to show me your notes, so don't forget that important step. If you don't have a notebook yet, don't panic. That's okay. Just find a piece of paper, take your math notes, take your language arts notes, have those ready for our meeting when we meet in our group this week. I will be reminding you and mom and dad about our meeting time this week, just in case you forgot. It will also be on your Google Calendar. Another thing I wanted to tell you is after you have completed your checklist each day, so when all of your boxes have a green check mark in them, the very last step you will do is go to Classcraft. So you go to Clever, you find the Classcraft application, you click on Classcraft. You want to make sure that you are logging into My Classroom. Did I come in? Let's see. Hopefully I'm in. You want to make sure you're logged into My Classroom and start your quest. You can click, so My Classroom, you'll see my name at the top. That's how you know you're in the right place. Also, when you come all the way over to the left, so you see the yellow-orange mountains in the circle, you go straight down to the quest button, all the way over here to the left. You'll go to that quest button, and if you can't see it, all the way over here to the left. So this is where you want to be to click on a quest. It's a very small button, but it's a very important one. So click on that quest button and you will see what we're going to work on this week. The only thing you do in your quest this week, it's week 3, the Lost Sprite, the only thing you do is upload your checklist. So The great thing about that is there are not many tasks. There's a great story to follow, which is where you begin. And then as you move on from your story, you're going to go to Monday's story and then task and upload your checklist. And here you have the instructions there. In order to upload your checklist, you will be taking a screenshot. If you forgot how to take a screenshot, we practiced it several times the first 2 weeks of school, but if you forgot, that's okay. Send me an email that says I need the instructions. Mrs. Condor, I need those instructions for a screenshot again. I will send those to you with a screenshot video. So I want you to have an awesome day. I really encourage you to come to study hall and at least be there long enough to practice using the checklist for that first day. I hope you'll stay the whole time, but if your schedule doesn't allow that, at least come long enough so that I can show you how to use your checklist and get you off on the right track so that you can have an awesome week. I look forward to seeing you in study hall. Everyone have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.